instructions will be vital at this point. Great. These three doodads, I just took a look at the top of the wing, and they look like that they would be able to go through here. One here, and one here. Once those are connected correctly. So that solves one problem right there. And I was like, wait, what's that all about? But this I don't have a solution for, and I'm really hoping that their solution is not to use something like this to just pop on the landing gear, because oh, okay, all right. So I'm gonna have to look at the instructions, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.
Likey.